Hello, today I'm doing an unboxing and a short presentation of the latest Xiaomi power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery capable of charging up to two devices with a combined 160 watts of power. It has an integrated USB-C cable and another USB-C port can use for another device. The dimensions are 143 by 48 by 36 millimeters. It has an energy of 36 watt hours, and it's capable of 120 watts using the USB-C cable, plus 45 watts using the other USB-C port. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Documentation, basic information about the battery. You can pause the video and read the manual if you like. This is the English part of the manual. So let's see the power bank itself. Doesn't seem all that heavy. I think it has 306 grams. Okay. So the USB cable sits pretty securely there. Has a display that shows the charge level of the battery. Okay, no other info is displayed at this point. And it has another USB-C in-out port. Interestingly, the port with the integrated cable also says in besides out, so I guess you could use a USB-C adapter to charge the battery this way. Okay, it's made of plastic, polycarbonate, no metal, and it's decent weight, feels pretty robust. Let's see. It charged something. Okay. It's okay. So besides the percentage of the power bank, it says the charging speed in milliamp hours per minute. So in the case of this Motorola Android phone, which is not a flagship by any means, it says it gives roughly 12 or 13 milliamp hours per minute.